what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be cooking with my air fryer today. I love my air fryer. I cook everything in my air fryer. It is the best. So if you don't have an air fryer, you definitely need to get one. I have the 2-door one. I actually got it on sale. Got it on for like $160. I got it at Costco actually. So Costco always has like the best deals. It always tells me like, have you tried this in your air fryer yet? Have you tried that in your air fryer yet? And I'm like, no, actually I haven't. And they're like, you have to try it. So here I am. This is what I'm going to be doing today. What foods I'm going to be cooking today is I'm going to be trying a pizza pocket in the air fryer, which I have never tried before. So I'm going to be trying it today, seeing if I like it. A chicken hot dog, and for dessert, I will be trying a s'more in the air fryer. So yeah, first thing I actually want to really cook right now is this pizza pocket. It is calling my name. I want to cook the pizza pocket for 4 minutes. I'll be right back to stuff my face.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Guys, the pizza pocket is done. I let it cool down a little bit, but honestly, here it is. How I feel about it, to be honest. Here it is. I just actually stuck my finger in it because I wasn't sure like if it was ready or what. I don't know. It looks nice and crunchy and stuff. Interesting. Let's bite it. Oh wow. I used some pop in the center, but that's okay. It's still really good. Cup is so grumpy. Me. So good. I actually want another one. Is that bad? Midnight snack. Really, really good. Totally recommend that. Be trying a chicken hot dog. I'm just gonna cut it just so I make sure the hot dog actually gets cooked in the inside. So, little lines in it just to make sure the hot dog gets cooked in the inside. Oh, I just broke it. Maybe I'll put it in for like 2 minutes. Maybe it might take longer than that. I don't know. So I'm gonna plop the hot dog in the air fryer, and I'll put this little part in too. So I broke it off.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
My goodness, this looks so good. I don't think I should be sticking that in there. My God, look at that. What? Wow, it smells amazing. Looks so freaking good. This machine blows my damn mind. When you're a kid, you just like used to chop your bread in half, and it would like leave like an indent. Chop, so it stays. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. I always put like so much ketchup on my hot dog. People always make fun of me for it. They're like, is there any more ketchup left in there? Oh yeah. Wow. This tastes like a barbecue. Wow. Well, I'm going to do the s'mores now. So I got some marshmallows. I got these like cookie things. They're like covered in chocolate. So those will do for the chocolate for the s'more. And then I have the graham crackers. Got the s'mores. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for maybe like a minute. The marshmallow rolled off the chocolate, so let's put it back on. That's so cool. It sucks that the marshmallow kept falling off. So I had to like, look, like good thing I was paying attention to it. Look at it, oh my, I just can't with this, you guys. I'm literally melting right now. What? Who needs a campfire? Like, wow. Ooh, ooh, that's hot. It's hot. Much fun making this video. You guys definitely have to try food in an air fryer. Try like your favorite foods in an air fryer and then come and thank me after. Everything was so delicious. I was honestly blown away by this air fryer I have here. 10/10 on the pizza pockets, the hot dogs, I give it a 10. The s'mores, I give a 10. Everything is a 10. Video was awesome. Definitely gonna do it again, but with different foods, so look out for that. Guys, I'll let you go, and thanks for watching, guys. Ooh, oh, bye, guys.